Hey guys, my name is Dallin. I'm with MDRN Concrete Specialties. We specialize in concrete sealing, concrete coatings, and aesthetic restoration. Right here, we're on a job where a contractor made a mistake by troweling in release powder on the stamped slab. As you can see right here, this is the problem area. What we've already done is we've sandblasted the whole entire substrate. We had to remove the old sealer and the old antiquing release powder because we want to make sure the concrete surface profile is good for the overlay we're going to do. We're going to be using a product made by Brickform and Solvent Colors called CemCoat. It's going to be in the canvas color. So after we sandblast it, we're going to pressure wash it, and we're going to use E-Etch and NutriClean to exfoliate the slab and to degrease the slab, which is another step to making sure it has the right surface profile. After that's done, we're going to wait for the slab to dry, and then we're going to apply this CemCoat here. So the reason why I love this is because it's so versatile. You can use it with antiquing products, you can stain on top of it. Other concrete paints don't do that because it's just going to be a bond breaker. You can't mix and match, you can't make it look good. Especially for this instance right here, we want to make it look like stamped concrete, and so we're using this antiquing product to make it look like stamped, because right now it's a singular color, but we're going to apply this and make it look brand new again.